guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel, and this is the last in the three-part episodes of the AutoGlym Polar range. So the last product to review is the AutoGlym Polar Seal. So this is a lance sealant that you spray onto the car after you've washed it, and yeah, it gives you some protection. So what we're going to do, we're just going to see what the product says on the back of the bottle, and then yeah, we'll go through the instructions, and then we'll apply it, and then we'll see what we thought of the bottle, what we thought of the product. So what is this? So Polar Seal is a protective coating that has been specially formulated for the application through a pressure washer with a snow foam gun. It imparts a hydrophobic layer onto the paintwork that causes water to bead off the surface, which reduces the time it takes to dry the car. Simply spray onto a clean, wet vehicle, rinse off, and leave behind a high gloss finish. So we've tried a lot of sort of like lance sealants before, and they do work well. It's just how long they last and how well sort of like the water beads so how long it lasts, and sort of how hydrophobic yeah, the protection is. So let's go on to how to apply this product. So I think it's going to be the same as all the other lance sealants, where you put it in the snow foam lance, dilute it, apply it to the car. After a few seconds or minutes, rinse it off, and your protection's there. So how to use. Before you start, check that the bodywork and wheels are cool to touch and out of direct sunlight, which they are. We recommend starting with the snow foam, like the PolarBlast, which we've already done 2 videos ago. So this is sort of following sort of like the steps that you'd use these products in. So after you've done that, follow with PolarWash, which is the second video, to remove any dirt or contamination from your paintwork. And then the third step is only a small amount of Polar Seal is required. Pour no more than 40 ml or 4 capfuls into your snow foam bottle, and then add at least 200 ml of water. So that's what I'm going to do now. I've added around about 200-300 ml of water, so we're not going to use a lot of product, and we're going to see how far it goes. So, and then the next bit, this should be all the finished solution required to cover your car. There's no benefit in using any more than 40 ml. So that's basically saying the maximum you should use is 40 ml, and you won't get any more sort of like protection or benefit with using more. You just waste product. So I guess that's handy. So spray Polar Seal onto a clean, wet surface of the car, and then so it does say here, when you're applying it to the car, avoid the windscreen. So I don't know why that is. That's probably because if it dries, or it might leave sort of like a greasy film on your windscreen, which in sunlight, yeah, it's going to be terrible to drive. So stay away from the windscreen, or all exterior surfaces apart from the windscreen, yeah, you can cover. So, and then after you've applied it to the car, thoroughly rinse and dry your car to reveal a high gloss finish that is protected with a hydrophobic coating. The car must be dried with a cloth and not allowed to air dry, as water spotting may occur. And then it just say use AutoGlym Fast Glass to clean the windscreen and wiper blades to ensure no smearing occurs. So yeah, so what we're going to do now, we're going to apply it to the car. It does seem fairly quick and easy to apply. Just stay away from the windscreen. So you apply it, and then pretty much straight away jet wash it off. So yeah, let's get to the application, and then we'll come back and we'll do we'll see how hydrophobic the protection is. so that's the application done, sprayed on and sprayed off. You can tell that there's a lot of protection there automatically. As soon as you apply the product, yeah, the water just starts beading. So what I'm going to do before this dries, I'm going to dry it off with the AutoGlym Insta-Dry towel. I have reviewed this product about a month ago now, so yeah, I'll put that link to that video below, so you can go check that out if you're interested in that. So let me dry the vehicle so it doesn't dry, and then yeah, I'll show you before we applied the product and then after, so you can see the differences. So yeah, give me 2 seconds and I'll dry the car, and then we'll come back and yeah, we'll do the comparison. Okay, so now I'm going to show you before and after. So I'll put the before video on here. So this is without the protection on, so that's just after the car's been fully washed. And then this is after we've applied the Polar Seal. Okay, so that's the car fully washed off. And yeah, I'm quite impressed with this protection. So I literally use 300 ml of water and 40 ml of this. So, and yeah, I use the whole 300 ml on this car. So yeah, I haven't used a lot of product at all. And yeah, the snow foam lance is empty, so I don't have to waste any product. The protection, it is instant. So as soon as you apply it to the car, you can see that there's yeah, hydrophobic behaviour on the paint straight away, and then when you jet wash it off, the protection's instantly there. I don't know how long it'll last. I'm looking forward to yeah, hearing back from the owner how long it will last. But yeah, for now it's all protected. It made drying the car a lot easier as well, which that's what these products are there for, making sure that the car is easier to wash, especially when it gets a bit warmer. Yeah, you don't want to be around drying your car for ages, because yeah, if the water dries on your car, you're going to get water spotted. So yeah, that was the Polar Seal from AutoGlym. This is around about £20, depending on where you buy it from, and for that you get 1 litre, but that might sound quite high, but yeah, you're only using sort of like 30 to 40 ml at a time. So again, this is going to last a long time. So I'm quite impressed with this product. I'll probably use this product on a few cars and use this to use this up. So these last 3 videos, I hope you've liked in the sort of episode of the AutoGlym Polar range products. So if you have liked these, give us some comments below, give us some feedback, whether you want more of these videos like that, where it's sort of like mini episodes on one sort of like brand, or you prefer the longer videos like we did on the Golden Bird Details range, where it's basically like an hour full of all the products. So yeah, let us know what you thought of this mini episode. Cheers for the guys at AutoGlym for sending these products out. Yeah, we got 2 of each product, so we've tested them well, a lot. So yeah, cheers again. I hope you've liked this video. Make sure you leave a subscribe and a like, and yeah, we'll see you on Sunday for another video. Cheers.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.